Put onion, tomatoes, garlic, water, yogurt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, dry coriander powder in pressure cooker and bend the lid and give pressure for 8 minutes after whistle on medium to low heat. Put off the flame and release the pressure carefully. All things have softened. Now mash all things carefully and add chili flakes and cooking oil and saute or stir fry for 2 to 4 minutes. Add when oil leaves the edges, add lentil and pumpkin and stir fry for 5 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water so that it cooks and remains soft and juicy, but not too much to make it watery or soggy. Now bend the lid again and give it pressure for 5 minutes after whistle. Release the pressure and towards the end, the water content will have naturally dried up. Lentil must maintain shape but also break easily when pressed between your fingers. Put cooking oil in a pan and add white cumin seeds and whole red chili and fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Temper is ready. Put this temper over the cooked lentil. Pumpkin and lentil curry is ready.